Experiencing Optus not registered on network? This means your phone can't connect to Optus's mobile network. Several factors can cause this, including issues with your SIM card, APN settings, carrier lock, or band compatibility. A faulty SIM prevents network authentication. Incorrect APN settings, which act as a gateway for mobile data, can also cause the error. If your phone is locked to another carrier, it won't register on Optus. Your phone must support the correct radio frequency bands Optus uses, such as B1, B3, B7, and B28 for 4G, and N78 for 5G. We'll break down how to check and fix each of these. Start with the basics. Restart your phone and toggle airplane mode on and off. Next, physically inspect your SIM card for damage and ensure it's properly inserted. If using an eSIM, contact Optus to verify its activation. Then, check your APN settings under Mobile Networks in your phone's settings. The standard Optus APN is Internet, or Yes Internet for Yes Optus plans. If the problem persists, check if your phone is carrier locked. Contact your previous carrier to unlock it. Finally, ensure your phone supports Optus's 4G and 5G bands. Use apps like Network Cell Info or consult Optus's coverage maps. If you've tried all these steps and still face issues, contact Optus's 24/7 chat support or visit an Optus store for further assistance. Many issues can be resolved with firmware updates.